In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize a PDF with Microsoft Copilot in 2025. If you have a long report, a research paper, or a contract, and you just want the gist, Copilot makes it fast and flexible. There are 3 simple ways to do it, and you can pick the one that fits your workflow. First, you can upload your PDF directly into a Copilot chat. Open Copilot, click the plus icon or drag, and drop your PDF into the chat window. Once it's attached, give Copilot a clear prompt like summarize this document or list the key takeaways and any open questions. You can refine the result by asking for shorter or longer sections, an executive summary, or a plain language explanation. If you need more detail, follow up with show the supporting passage or which page discusses this. A quick tip, keep your prompt grounded by saying based only on this PDF, which helps Copilot focus on the file you uploaded. If the file is large and you see an error, try compressing the PDF or uploading it again. Second, you can use Copilot with OneDrive. If your PDF is stored in the cloud, open it from OneDrive and ask Copilot for a quick cloud summary. This is great when you're already organizing files online and don't want to juggle uploads. You can say, give me a concise summary, then an outline of sections, or highlight decisions, risks, and deadlines. Because the file is in OneDrive, Copilot can reference it reliably and you can reopen the summary later without re-uploading. Third, you can summarize directly in Microsoft Edge. Open the PDF in Edge and use the Copilot pane on the side. Type prompts like summarize this document, what are the key takeaways, or explain the methodology in simple terms. Since Copilot can see the page you're viewing, you can ask focus questions such as summarize pages 3 through 6, or compare the introduction and the conclusion. If you need specific evidence, ask it to quote the sentence it's using and to include the page number. No matter which route you choose, clarity in your prompt makes a big difference. Tell Copilot who the summary is for, executives, students, or a project team, and how long you want it. If the PDF is scanned or has low-quality text, results may vary, so consider using a clean, text-recognizable version. And if the document contains sensitive information, review it before uploading. When you're done, copy your summary into a document or note, and add any follow-up questions to the same chat to keep the context. That's all it takes to quickly turn a dense PDF into clear, actionable insights with Microsoft Copilot.